The 2023 nominees in the category of Elastomeric Roof Coatings. West Roofing Systems Incorporated for the new Covert generating pump house wall coating in New Covert, Michigan. The power plant was experiencing leaks affecting electric panels, backup generators, and computer servers. The number one cause was the concrete walls, which had multiple microscopic water entry points allowing water into the plant. The plant approached masons about a fix and were quoted $1 million to take down and rebuild the wall over 2 months, with disruptions to city power and costs to move internal equipment. West Roofing recommended the use of a fluid-applied high-solid silicone elastomeric coating applied to the walls and roof section at just over 1% the cost of the masonry solution, to be completed over 3 days with no disruptions to service. Seeing the cost savings versus remove and replace has opened a new market where silicone coating is the most cost-effective solution. With safety plans in place to mitigate risk to the workers, the nearby public, and equipment inside, the work was delivered perfectly to plan. Installation team of Lawrence Hamilton, Nick Kidd, and PCP project manager Greg Barney Haas.